Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 5th of September 2023. Let's see what's happening in the market. So let me share my screen. Right, let's start with the Forex factory, and you can see there's no heavy impact news as far as the dollar is concerned, hence no direct impact on the gold prices. However, we will have heavy impact on AUD at 5:30 a.m., which may affect the gold prices. And that's it for today. And let's go to our Dixie chart. Daily Dixie, you can see that Dixie have a rejection from this level. And see what's happening in weekly. And weekly is rejecting the second day of the week, Tuesday, and daily rejecting, and 4 hour. There was a rejection. However, you can see the market is going. I can expect double top and to the downside, or go further up or break it. So let's see. And gold. Gold has in daily, what has gold done? Gold. As you can see, if as I mentioned previously, this leg here have rejection because we reached the 0.618 level, which is a golden ratio level. And we can keep expecting the rejection. Why? As you can see, that these candlestick patterns clearly show the market should come down. That's in the daily. And what's happening in 4 hour? We had this liquidity hunt, and we had liquidity hunt on this side as well, and then the market went to this level here, looking at the one hatch. You can see that it didn't quite go up to this level. However, it's made a, as you can say, in smaller time frame, 30 minutes. The market made a double top here and rejected from here. Now we have market trending here. There could be possible break to this level. Maybe one edge you can see more clearly. And you can see that we have this level here. And the possibility of touching this level. However, if this level is broken, which I expect it will be, we can expect a move to the downside to the next level, 1920 level. Further down, we have these levels. Around 1915 level and so on. These are the different levels. Right. If the market goes to the upside, then we have these levels. If this level is broken, which is 1953 level, we can expect move to the upside. So that's what we look at this today. And now, if we can see a good rejection candle here, we can look for a buy trade. However, no rejection. If there's a breakout of structure, we can see sell up to 1925 level at least, and then further down to 1950 level. That's it for the half an hour. You can go further down in smaller time frame to make smaller scalping analysis. Right. So I hope this is useful, guys, and have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.